Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your home's value with Zillow. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your home's value using Zillow, start by visiting the Zillow website or opening the mobile app. Create an account if you haven't already, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, enter your home address in the search bar. Click on your property from the search results to access its listing page. Review the Zestimate, which is Zillow's estimated market value for your home. Take note of any updates or changes to the Zestimate over time. Scroll down to the Home Details section to ensure all information about your property is accurate. If you spot any inaccuracies, click on the Edit button to update your home's information. Add any special features or upgrades that may affect your property's value. Next, photograph any enhancements you've made, such as renovations or landscaping. Upload these photos to your Zillow listing to showcase your home's improvements. Monitor local real estate trends by exploring nearby comparables linked on your property's page. Use the Saved Homes feature to keep track of similar listings and their sale prices. Set alerts for updates on homes in your neighborhood to stay informed about the market. Consider requesting a professional appraisal for an unbiased value assessment. Keep your home's condition in mind, and invest in regular maintenance to preserve its value. Review and adjust your home insurance coverage as your property's value changes. Engage with local real estate agents through Zillow for insights and recommendations. Stay active on the platform to build your home's online presence and visibility. By following these steps, you will be equipped to protect and potentially increase your home's value with Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.